There we go, guys. There we go. We got our Delta Executor, as you can see, for free. And also we got these small scripts, Forge Hub and Nikus for free. Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got the latest Delta Executor for my mobile phone. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices, or even you can do it with your PC. It works amazing for all these devices. And guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can actually get this Delta Executor online, and later we will test it. Does it actually work together? So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called blocksforge.com. You will find it easily, guys. And then click on Delta Executor tool. So you will find it easily. So guys, there we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it to learn, or let me quickly show you. So go to roblox.com on your browser, log in there and go to your profile. So on your profile, just copy your profile link. When you copy your link, let's get back and let's click here on this small button, so it will automatically scrape only your user ID. So guys, just click continue after you paste this and it will start searching for our user account. So as you can see, user found. You should get this message as well. So guys, there we go, it's our account. I mean, you will get your name there, your avatar, and now we will have to click here import newest updated Delta Executor to our account. So just click here and then we will select an extra options for selecting our script for Delta Executor. So select Forge Hub and Nikus, guys. These two are the best. You also have Red's Hub. You have a lot of scripts here, but these two are the best. So just click continue when you select this, and we should get these scripts installed along Delta Executor, and we should get them activated automatically without keys. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. So there we go, guys. API is connected. There we go. And we got our activation key generated. It's our key for Delta Executor. There we go, guys. So now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our Delta Executor with keys. So guys, it's one-time verification, and we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download games, you can download apps, you can complete these simple questionnaires. It's really up to you. It's just important to complete 2 steps, tasks from this list. And guys, what will I do now? I will download Travel Town and Playful Rewards. So how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers, as I said, and you don't have to worry. So after this, it's really important to follow their instructions. For each task you complete, you will have to follow their instructions. So guys, for Travel Town, I will download and install this app, then play and complete level 9. And for Playful Rewards, I will download and install this app, then play 3 games for 5 minutes each. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, Travel Town and Playful Rewards, and I have followed their instructions, and I got this message, guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So it should redirect us every single second. So let's see together, guys, will it actually redirect? So there we go, guys. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Our user ID connected and our Delta Executor key is connected, guys. I'm so excited to open our Roblox right now and to test it. Does it actually work? So we'll open literally whatever game. Let's try with Grow a Garden, for example. Let's click here. Let's click play, guys. And then we will test, are we actually receiving Delta? So, okay. There we go, guys. There we go. We got our Delta Executor, as you can see, for free. And also we got these small scripts, Forage Hub and NICUs for free. Let's click, guys, this execute, and let's test this script. Does it actually work? So we will test it. Some options. So as you can see, guys, we have farming, eggs, player, teleports. It works amazing, guys. So let's see jump power. We can adjust our jump power, so enable it, and let's see how does it work. So when we jump, it should jump really high. As you can see, guys, it works amazing. This Delta Executor is actually legit. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.